Hello and welcome back to my channel where we document my adventures, discuss outdoor gear, and just talk about getting outdoors. So today we have a Battlbox Mystery Box. I recently signed up for the Battlbox monthly subscription and I was given the opportunity to buy a mystery box. So I grabbed one. Let's take a look and see what's inside. It looks to be quite full, so I'm going to move it off to the side. So the first thing I see here is something I am actually quite familiar with. This is a Gear Aid cooling towel. The idea behind this is that you wet it down and put it around your neck, and as it evaporates, it helps cool you down. This is lightweight, has a hook for hanging off your backpack in a couple of different places. So this is something I will put to good use. Second item inside is a fire tube, Firelight fire cubes. Fire with a Spark, 12 tubes by SOL Outdoors. So 5-year shelf life, lightweight, likes when wet, requires really no use other than to just grab it, hit a spark, and throw it inside. It also looks like it can be used as an emergency fuel inside some of my emergency stoves. So that's handy. Next item here, I'm not quite sure what it is. Seems something. Open it up. Sorry about the noise. This is a Lord and Field Bushcraft Blanket Sleeping Bag Carrier. So, this appears to be something you can put around your sleeping bag, and then it gives you a handle to carry it with. Not sure I would have anything to use it with, but I like the idea. The next item appears to be a book of Field and Stream's Total Knife Manual, 141 technical skills. It's got a nice embossed cover. Appears to have some very nice pages, information. You know what? I'm always up for reading a book. And here's, we may have two more things inside. So, next is, it's a patch. It's a truck. Interesting. Always love patches. And then the last thing, can't quite see what it is because I have a Battletech sticker. Always love me some stickers. And then the last thing is under desk pistol holder. So, I'm not sure that I will have any use for it, but I think I know some people who will. So, I definitely know who I will gift that to. So, we have an under desk holster, a sleeping bag holder, the Field and Stream Total Knife Manual, the SOL Fire Cubes, this crazy cool patch, this fun sticker, and the Gear Aid cooling towel. Well, until next time, have a great time on trail, get outside and enjoy Mother Earth. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and comment, share with friends, and I will see you out there.